Welcome to the world of Epson Connect. Printing and scanning from anywhere has never been easier. With the Epson Smart Panel app, your mobile device becomes a command center for your printer. Simply email your documents or photos directly to your printer's unique email address for instant results. Working remotely? The Remote Print Driver lets you print to any Epson Connect printer from your computer, anywhere in the world. Plus, scan directly to your favorite cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox without even using a computer. Epson Connect. Productivity that follows you. Get started today at epsonconnect.com.